portail galactique là-bas.
Quick shot with the water tower in it, because who knows whether it's going to be there next time.
I don't think they're going to get rid of it. It's too iconic to get rid of. They'll change the logo, make like the label on it.
Probably have a different name.
But that'll be it. That's the only thing they'll change about it. If they do change it, if they do get rid of it, I will be so mad.
I know. I don't think they will. I don't think they will.
It'd be sad to see this go.
Yeah.
It's the little things, like the silhouette
I know.
as well. When that goes, that's going to be sad as well.
Right, day 4.
Final day.
Final day. I know, I'm sad. I'm sad. Or I'm stressed about travelling, but that's a whole other story.
You'll be fine.
Let's just hope it goes better than last time. That's what I'm going to say.
It'll be fine. I checked the trains this morning. There's no problems.
Okay. All right. That's good. So, hopefully, Crush, we're in Extra Magic Hours time. If it's open, Flight Force.
Fingers crossed. Yeah.
Maybe back in Tower of Terror.
We'll do one trip. Okay, those are our 3 that we want
Those
to
are
hit.
the 3.
Okay, that'll do.
All right.
Start there.
Let's do this.
En bas! J'imagine que la vue est cool! Allez voir de temps en temps le portail galactique là-bas. Il y a toujours des Avengers qui s'y baladent. Yes! Toi aussi t'es fan de Captain Marvel? J'adore ton t-shirt.
Plans have been foiled a little bit. No Crush at the moment, completely shut until this afternoon. But Tower of Terror accomplished.
Yes.
Flight Force we will now accomplish. And Spider-Man was out, so that's cool.
I love how you've gone from like absolutely hating and being terrified of the Tower of Terror to now wanting to do it again.
I know. It's just one of those rides that I now love.
Yes.
Like, it's now a classic. It has to be done.
Good man. Well done.
Occupez toutes les places disponibles. On n'a plus beaucoup de temps. Analyse des panneaux escamotables.
Retractable panels analyzed.
Recalibrage des sous-systèmes.
Subsystems recalibrated.
Maintenant, balance la source dans mes répulseurs.
Repulsors augmented. Consider your hands juiced.
Sous-sol Naïma, mon allié Dora Milaje va m'assister dans cette mission. My fellow warrior will assist me. Au Wakanda, nous respectons toujours un instant de silence, en l'honneur de tous les rois et les reines qui nous ont quittés pour rejoindre le plan ancestral.
So Pippa is currently off queuing at the moment for Crush's coaster, which I decided I couldn't really be bothered to do. So instead, had a look around, managed to find a pin that I've been looking for a couple of days, for a Captain America pin, so I'll show you that later. And in the meantime, I was going to film and kind of show you around the park, but it is really difficult because it's just construction walls pretty much everywhere, which is like making the pathways very congested. It's just a construction site at the moment. And Studio 1 above me here, that's under a major rehaul as well. Everywhere you go, all you can hear is construction, all you can see is construction to an extent. Obviously you don't see everything, but there's a lot of it and it's making it challenging to really show you around properly. So I'm just going to film snippets and let you see what I see when I see something worth seeing. I'm gonna have to start calling this fence land or wall land or construction barrier land.
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger. If you take my picture, be sure to get my good side. Actually, they're all good sides.
Bienvenue, je suis Buzz l'éclair, ranger de l'espace. C'est drôle, tout a l'air un peu plus grand avec la visière verte.
10-minute single rider would be rude not to.
It's hot. We're getting ice cream.
Yep.
€12 for the two magnums.
It is a bit, but they do look quite spectacular.
It does look cute. It does look amazing, doesn't it?
That's impressive. Right, we're doing the traditional vlogger in a Disney park, eating on a trash can.
It's the only spot in the shade.
It's good. It's what they do. They do look good.
Right, which one do we try first?
I don't know. You try the Lion King one. I'll try the Toy Story one.
I got it. It's okay. It's okay. Keep going.
Oh
Cheers.
God.
You get. It's heavy. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wow, good.
Oh yeah. Hang on, coffee. That's so good. Yep. Okay. Very messy. Oh. I prefer that one.
Yeah, I prefer that one. The system works well. Oh.
Watch out with those Magnum thingies. Although absolutely delicious,
A lot
they are-
heavier than you think.
They are heavy. Think old school Magnum before they started skimping us on the chocolate and on the sides and all the rest
really,
of it.
really thick chocolate, plus all of the toppings and the sauce that go on top of it. Yeah, that was dense. That was dense. Nice.
Oh my, it's so worth the €12 though, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, and messy.
Yes.
Very, very messy.
Yes.
Sea warned.
Enjoy it, but enjoy responsibly, I think.
Yeah.
is the mantra.
Yeah, and bring tissues.
Yes. That was the bit we made. Let's go find something so we can get cleaned up. I'm not too bad. I haven't got too much chocolate. How are you?
You're alright. I don't
You've not
know.
got too much chocolate around your chops either. You're alright. We're good. We're good.
I don't think I've ever parked top so much on any Disney trip as I have with you.
We've had lots of objectives. And
That's true.
annoyingly, those objectives have been in different places. That's the thing. We're getting the objectives done though, which is the important thing.
Yeah, we're hitting the targets, getting them done.
Just gotta hope that lounge fly's in stock now.
Loungefly, pirates, hopefully some sort of pineapple
Desserts.
Dole Whip. It's not really Dole Whip, but you know what I mean.
Close enough.
Close enough. It's all you're going to get in this park.
So good.
You can tell that it's not quite Halloween season yet because although the decks have gone up, the music hasn't changed. So usually you get the same kind of music, but you'll get ghosts talking over it and making lots of weird, spooky noises. So we're not in the Halloween season, but we're still seeing some of the bits coming out. And it always looks so good. One thing we haven't been able to do is get on a Main Street vehicle.
No, that hasn't happened, has it? Mind you, that being said, we've not seen many of them around. I've only seen them twice.
Yeah, only a couple of times. I think we've got
I'm just trying to think Adventureland.
we've got a parade coming.
Yeah, let's...
Nah. The only thing that we've failed on so far is not being able to get Pineapple Whip simply because it's always been closed. We've been trying for 3 days and nothing. So it's sort of for sale if you happen to be here when it's open, which seems to be never.
We don't know when it's open. Like,
No.
What do we do? Somebody help us out.
Yeah.
suis un pirate et un des meilleurs. Allez, je veux dire. They got me on job.
So it's very rare, but you do occasionally get to walk and take the shortcut between Fantasyland and Discoveryland if the gates are open. They are usually shut because parades come through this way. Characters come out from here as well, usually from up there. But if it's open, take full advantage of it because it's much quieter, much quicker.
Shadier as well. It's cooler.
And it's, yeah, in the shade. And then it's actually quite a nice, chilled out little walkway.
You're not gonna kill the moment a little bit, dude. But you know how we were talking about the Star Wars expansion to Discoveryland?
Yeah, I mean, who knows?
This could be the space that gets used.
It could. It could.
That might be the only time we ever get to go cut through this way.
But for the moment, this is one of my Disney hacks anyway, but it's really hit and miss as to whether or not you get to walk down here.
Well, we've made it.
I know. I haven't actually seen it open for ages when I've been here.
I've never seen it open. I've never done this walk.
Well, you're not missing a lot. It's basically just a load of trees. But it is quiet, at least.
Right, slushies. That is heavy.
Snack item number 2 of the day is the apple slushie, because we both decided this was better than the strawberry one.
Oh yeah, what a treat.
Is it as good?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Right.
We're back.
How many times is this now? 3, 4.
Twice together.
3.
This will be the third one we've done together. I don't know how many times you've done it when we've been flying solo.
Oh, several.
Okay, there we go then. We haven't had off yet though.
No, I'm very disappointed.
Hang on. Last time we were here, you were complaining about getting off.
Yeah, I know. Now I feel like I've got withdrawal symptoms. It's like, Hoth feels like home to me now.
I don't know what to do with this one, honestly. It is a very pretty ride.
I love it. It's great. Considering how much it terrified me as a 5-year-old.
Ou encore traverser la mer de Dune à bord d'une luxueuse barque. Ensuite, louer un landspeeder.
Good job.
So there we are. It's one last castle shot.
Yeah.
It's nearly time to go home.
I don't want to go home.
Don't ever want to go home. I want to stay here.
We can't
Wow.
afford it though. Wow.
We'll be back eventually.
Yeah.
We're back eventually.
We're going to save up some more money and do a slightly bigger trip next time, I think.
Hopefully.
That's the plan,
Hopefully.
anyway. Fingers crossed.
But for now, it's goodbye
And good luck.
and see you soon.
Yeah.
Bye, castle.
Oh, I know.
See you soon.
It's gonna be a year before I see it again, dude.
Well, take it in. Take it in.
I know.
while you can.
So pretty.
Oh well.
Next time. There will be a next time, but
It's
we're
been
gonna
good.
have to be patient. For
It's
it.
been a good trip. We've done a lot. Ticked
Lots
off
of
everything.
wins. Well,
Lots of wins.
almost everything. We've only had one out, which was the
Pineapple whip thing. Everything else, a lot of good rides. A lot of rides we've done, and some front rows, some good merch.
I got to be a rebel spy.
You did, yeah, that's true. So we've had some good, lucky, magic moments.
Yes. I am slightly sunburnt. I've just realised. Whoops.
Yeah, it is hot. It is a hot day. Let's go and do one last look around the shops. And just like that, we are back in London. Eurostar journey was absolutely fine. All went according to plan as it should do, and I realised I've never actually shown you around the travel lodge that I stay in before and after the Eurostar. And here it is. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. Nothing overly exciting. Obviously you've got bathroom with all the usual facilities in there, TV, kettle, tea, coffee, blah blah blah. And a single bed, as it's just me, and everything all back in one piece, including myself as well, which is quite good. So yeah, there we go. We're back. We're in one piece. All absolutely fine. Tomorrow, I will be heading home. Glad to get back. Glad to get some rest. Put my feet up, recover, go through all my haul of decent stuff. I actually did pretty well with the merch this year, so we'll get back and we'll have a look at all of that when I get home. The Disney trip is over. It is done. And on that terrible disappointment, it is time to end. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for following on our journey. I'll see you guys real soon. The vlog is over.